Good day mga kausina, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Herbert Supia and today we are here in Helsinki, Finland. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Stansvik Manor kung saan it's like made from 1860s pa itong manor na ito. So ngayon we're gonna check their lunch kaya samahan nyo kami as we enjoy and explore this Stansvik Manor here in Helsinki, Finland. Welcome guys, nandito tayo in the middle of the road going to Stansvik Manor. So from the road, it will take you like 1 kilometer. So it's like a 10 to 15 minutes walk. Then you're gonna reach there and go na for our lunch.
Mga bahay-bahay oh.
At mga kusina, yun yung manor na sinasabi ko. So that was now for sale for 70K. Binibenta ng Helsinki government but I think somebody bought it already. And doon papunta tayo ngayon doon sa restaurant side. And ito yung mga cottages na pinaparent nila. Available for whole year round but especially in summer, I think maganda. And banda doon, yun din yung dagat na area. So eto na, papunta doon sa may beach area and sa mga offices nila. And dito naman, Ravinto Lamins Restaurant. Doon tayo pupunta. Pisara restaurant nila. Good for catering, para sa mga events this summer, celebration. And dito rin naman, ito yung mga, it looks like new cottage. It's for rent actually. Yan. So ang ganda ng lugar niya guys. And I think it's just spring. Pag summer talagang punong-puno. Really, really green na to. At mga puno, kung titingnan nyo, talagang 100 years na ito sa lalaki. Grabe. Tara, let's eat lunch muna. Ayun na yun, kitang-kita ko na yung dagat doon. Yes. So, this is the restaurant area. And let's go there. So, madami tayong makikita ditong fishing area over there on that side. And meron silang barbecue dito or terrace. Especially pagka talagang uminit na. And then, meron din silang grilling area doon and a small port over there. So tara, puntahan natin. Ang ganda, grabe. Wow! Amazing! Wow! Beautiful! OMG. Look at this. Oo, pwede nga mag-beachside dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Pagka uminit na talaga, pwedeng maligo dito dahil, ayan, oh, sandy beach. Yes. Not so huge, but enough for you to swim. Ayan. Tapos dito yung port nila. Ganda. Wow, good morning. Ganda. Grabe. Svansvik Manor here in Helsinki, Finland. Ayan. Ganda. And that's the restaurant side. Good day mga kusina. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Stansvik Manor. So we're having lunch right now. So while having this one, they have a buffet over there and that is their kitchen. So makikita nyo, it's like a modern feeling, but sa labas, kung titingnan nyo, look, ang ganda ng scenery, grabe. Mamaya iikot tayo dyan, but now, what I got is like salad, hummus, and some bulgur, and some mix of like pickled, and of course, bread and soup. So, kaya titikman na natin. So, at the moment, start tayo. Kasi medyo malamig pa, but start tayo sa soup with bread. Delicious. Kaya I like a veggie portions. Kaya mura yung mga salad ang mga kinuha ko. Very good. Let's try this one. Tara, kain tayo. Then try natin itong soup nila. This talaga napakasarap. Marami siyang beans. Then iba't ibang klaseng beans. It's creamy. Masarap. Yung halos na ubos ka na itong salad. And yung bread nila, really freshly baked. Kaya napakasarap. Ayos while watching this scenery. Okay, for my second plate, kumulit ako ng tinapay. And then meron sila dito like meats. Ayan, ano natin. Sarap. Grabe. Then kumuha rin ako ng rice, but tingnan natin. Sarap, grabe. May rice nila. Ayos. Balik tayo dito. Sukulit. Yeah. Really good. Ayos. Sarap. Pizarra. Ito yung restaurant nila dito, Pizarra, and they do catering as well. And then ito na yung second batch ko for the hot dishes. So they have like a fish curry here. Hindi siya curry tulad sa Asia, but it's more in the creamier side and a milky side. And it's a fish curry. Ang sarap ng pagkain dito. So they are opening now for spring. So they offer now lunches. And then sooner, so the head chef said that there's gonna be like a la carte here as well. So you can have a food here kapag pumunta kayo dito sa Stansbeek Manor. And then you can stay here overnight and see the beautiful scenery. And marami silang mga activities dito. Kaya if you are in Helsinki, Finland, so please do try to check the beauty and the sea of Stansbeek Manor. Boy! Hello, I'm Herbie.
I'm Bettina.
Nice to meet you, yes.
Nice to meet you too.
No, there's the bread. Oh, inside the kitchen. Oh, nice kitchen. You have the grill, burgers for summer. So mga kakusina, so after lunch, diretso tayo dito. Dito lang kami kumain sa may Pizarra restaurant nila. And it's facing the sun as you can see. Napakaganda magstay dito, especially pag summer. So doon meron mga tables. Tara pupuntahan natin. And dito meron may small pier papunta para sa mga small boats na umiikot dito sa Helsinki area. Makakapag-dock sila dyan and then they can eat here dyan sa Manor. Galing. Ganda. I really love this kind of scenery kasi I like the seaside. Especially dito, para may beach area sila. I think you can have a shower here, a shower there, and dito pwede kayo maligo. So, on this side, meron silang mga saunas. Yan. So, you can have a sauna, you can dumiretso kayo dito maligo, and mamaya ikot pa tayo papunta doon. Yan. So, ito yung restaurant, Pizarra, dito sa Stansbeek Manor. Yan, kung titingnan nyo, yung sand niya is like really fine rin. Ayan, not so white, but ayan, brownish, but napakaganda. Ayan, wow. You like it, Irmi? Diba? So, ito po yung pier ng Stansbeek Manor. And dito, pwede kayong maligo dyan. And kung titingnan nyo, ayan, parang beach side area niya. Ayos din. And then you can rent some small boats na like a small speedboat doon with one motor. Pwede kayo mag-rent para maikot nyo tong area na to. Actually, this is still part of Helsinki. Napakaganda. Ayan. And paikot siya doon. Yan. Ganda. Alright mga kausina, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang port or pier ng Stansbeek Manor. So we just have our wonderful lunch And napakasarap ng pagkain. Meron silang lunch buffet, salads, and 4 kinds of hot dishes. Talagang truly recommended ko. Yung kitchen, as you can see in the video, together with my a friend na head chef rin dito sa Manor or island na to, it's really like ako, mawawala ang stress mo kapag ka nandito ka. Etong mga ferry or mga speedboat nandito, mga small yachts, yan yung mga start na pwede na silang mag-dock dito at kumain doon at mag-enjoy sa island. So in this island, makikita mo naman na pwede kayo mag-grill, pwede silang mag-rent ng mga rooms, meron silang more speedboat and a lot of activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa Stanspeak, Manor, Helsinki, Lajasalo, Finland. So tara, panoodin nyo yung video at papakita ko sa iyo ang mga iba't ibang area dito. Kaya, let's go! So pabalik na kami ngayon doon sa may restaurant area kasi ang ganda ng turok ng araw doon eh. Then iikot tayo papakita ko sa inyo yung ibang sa kabilang side ng Stanspeak Manor. So this was owned by the government, but itong restaurant is owned privately by a restaurant company. So ayan meron mga ducklings, starting na sila ngayon. Yan. So eto yung area na pwede kayo mag bonfire. So especially pag Johannes, ayan, at ito ang bubungad sa inyo. Wow, napakaganda. So meron silang mga seats dito, long benches. So ayan, this barbecue spot is located on cultural and historical valuable manor ground. So pwede pala mag-ihaw dito. So ayos. Ayan barbecue spot. So ayos. Ayan, napakaganda. So pwede pala talaga. Ayan, 2 barbecue spots. Pwede kayong magdala ng mga karne nyo dito, isda, ayan, you name it, vegetable. Ayan, habang nag-iiyaw kayo, ito yung spot na bubungad sa inyo. Napakaganda, grabe. So ito is like a function area nila. But it's like a outdoor. But still maganda kasi merong roof. So kung may event kayo, you can celebrate it here. Mga food, tables and everything, I think they can rent it out. So ayan, ang ganda. So dito tayo sa isa sa manor na binibenta na 70k euro. Yan, but I think it was bought already. And isa rin, luma na siya, but looks like creepy. Pero if you like this kind of houses, if you appreciate like this, you will love this area. Yan. Then, ito yung isa sa manor na sinasabi ko sa yung binibenta noon. But ngayon, ayan, ang ganda. Ito kaharap ng manor, meron tennis area doon. And then, merong fountain. And then doon, kasama sa seaside beaching area. At doon, pwede pa rin mag-dock ang yacht. Wow. Ganda ng location. Ito isa sa mga lumang houses rin dito sa area na ito. As you can see, ang ganda ng sinaw ng araw. And it's good for us kasi we have a choose date and a lunch date. Kaya iniikot ko kayo dito sa area na ito. Ayan, ganda.
Look like that. See? Look.
And then mga kakusina, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next vlog here in Helsinki, Finland.